Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add Cash App to Rocket Money. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So the thing that you have to know first of all is that Rocket Money is simply supported by Plaid. So Plaid has to allow Cash App for it to be used on Rocket Money and to be connected. So you can access your Rocket Money and you can go to the bank section, you can search your bank, access it if this bank is not available, and send the request and submit. But for the sake of the Cash App, you can actually see the apps like Waybill, Cash App, and Digit are not supported by Plaid yet. So even if you would like to connect this app to your Rocket Money, you can't because these apps are just not supported by Plaid yet, and you have to be supported by Plaid for it to be function on Rocket Money. So you can see, but they are still working on the ways for us to enter that information into Rocket Money, adding an account manually. At this time, we don't have the option to add your bank account manually, but we're hoping to do that in the near future. But currently, you cannot add these apps because they are just not supported by Plaid yet. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.